Alright, so we'll start with the LCM SCF. LCM SCF is a part of numbers overall. Fine, but LCM SCF करके normally question आता नहीं है. Fine, so you can't direct question in CAT. If I talk about CAT exam, there will be one question, but not directly. It may be indirect. I'll show you the question, type of question which you can expect in CAT, and one question or zero question in CAT, one question for sure in CMAT, but lot of question in RC Monji, Symbiosis and all other exams. Fine. So, but CAT, CMAT say one question. Fine. That's why the importance of that. That's important. Topic. Alright, before we jump on to LCM HCF, can you tell me how to find factors of 42? Or first of all, do you understand what you mean by factors? हाँ क्या होता है? What are the factors of 42? How you can break 42 basically? So 42 will be 21 into 2. Sorry, 21 into 2. 21 is further 3, 7, 2. So there are 3 people within 42 which we can break down into all the factors which are basically a prime number. Okay, all the factors will be a prime number obviously. ठीक है चलेगा. Now can you find out the factors for 72? Break them to easiest part first. 72 I can break as 8 into 9. 9 का factor 3, 3. 8 का factor 2, 2, 2. Are you with me? Any doubt in this? Is very very basic. Fine. This is all you have done in your school days. स्कूल में भी पहले बहुत ही पहले जब यू आर इन 4th और 5th जब तुम छोटे छोटे थे तब ये तुमने एक बार किया था टॉपिक. ऑलराइट. सो आई होप यू कैन फाइंड द फैक्टर फॉर नाउ एवरीथिंग. 84 का फैक्टर, 65 का फैक्टर, ऑल दिस थिंग यू कैन डू. फाइन. Alright, so if you understand this thing, can you find the LCM? Let's start with the LCM HCF. Can you find LCM and HCF of these two numbers? Fine. In school days we used to use one method for LCM. 42, 70, वो 2 पे गया फिर 3 पे गया, like this we used to calculate. Fine. This is out. And for HCF we used to use this method. चलेगा. This is what we used to do earlier. But this is not the method which I want you to follow, because factors is the most easiest method you can follow. क्योंकि फैक्टर में क्या है कि एक्यूरेसी अच्छा आएगा हमेशा. योर एक्यूरेसी विल ऑलवेज बी हाई इफ यू आर यूजिंग द फैक्टर्स. फाइन. सो कैन यू फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 42 and 70 so that we can calculate the LCM HCF. Any doubt in this thing how to find the factors? 42 का factors is 2 into 7 into 3. We just calculated some time ago. And 70 का factors is 7 into 10, which is 7 into 5 into 2. Alright, so what we've done is, first thing we've done is find the factors. Now how to find the LCM HCF? LCM is the common least, LCM least common multiple. HCF is highest common factor. ये तो मेरे को ही पता है यार, सबको पता है. What do you mean by all these things? Can you give me one real life example where you use LCM HCF? और कहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हो? Fine, that's the best way to remember. If you do from a common sense point of view, at least you will remember that all your life. Where you use LCM, because सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आएगी कि how to find out कि LCM लगाना है कि HCF लगाना है. Trust me, that's one of the biggest problem. If you understand that कि कहाँ LCM आएगा कहाँ HCF आएगा, everything is gonna be safe. Fine. One example for LCM HCF. I'll park this thing on the side so we can talk about LCM HCF first. No one in class can tell me. 25 people in class. That's what the problem of Indian education system is. कि we always do maths, but we don't understand कि वो क्यों किया. Let's try to take a few examples. Suppose if I have a bag of 50 chocolates and another bag of 30 toffees. So chocolates, toffees. What is the number of chocolates I can and toffees I can give you to one student, so that I get the minimum number of, or the maximum number of students who get equal number of chocolates. चलेगा. Alright, let me start with one easier example. थोड़ा भारी हो गया. We'll start with an easy example. Suppose we have a पहले एलसीएम करते हैं. तो चाहे एलसीएम देयर द बेल लग रही है, उल्टा हो गया बेल, सॉरी. I'll make it like this. So there's a bell which rings after every 5 minutes. Bell number 2 rings after every 12 minutes. After what time both the bells will ring together? 60. Why? LCM. LCM is the least common multiple. Multiple मतलब your answer will always be bigger than the number itself. हमेशा आंसर इससे बड़ा ही आएगा. Suppose there is one person who can run around a track in 1 hour. Another person can run around in 5 hours. After what time they'll meet again at the same position? After 5 hours. Of the nothing but the LCM of these two people. चलेगा? LCM first of all will always be bigger than the number itself. So that's why you find out the multiple. Least common multiple. Multiple मतलब सबसे बड़ा और bigger than the number itself. Alright. Now come to HCF. HCF मतलब छोटा. Your HCF will always be smaller than the number itself. Alright. For example, the chocolate wala case, there are 50 chocolates and there are 30 this thing. So what can be the maximum number of one student can get maximum number of both? So I can say 10. If I give 10 to one person, which is nothing but HCF. Alright. Or there is a wall of length 100 and width 30. What can be the maximum size of a brick? Okay, before you solve that, ask yourself कि brick का size 100 और 30 से बड़ा आएगा कि छोटा आएगा? छोटा मतलब HCF. Highest common factor. ठीक है. और GCD, greatest common divisor. छोटा मतलब you have to divide the number. So whenever you're looking for a number which is smaller, I'll use HCF. Whenever you're looking for a number which is bigger, I'm using LCM. Simple way to remember everything. ताकि वहाँ पे ये confusion आए कि LCM निकालना है कि HCF निकालना है. चलेगा? Very very basic. So what is the answer for this thing? 10. The size of the brick will be 10. ठीक है? चलेगा? Alright. Alright. So once we have done this thing, so I'll park this thing on the side again and come back to the question again. What is the LCM and HCF of these two numbers? LCM मतलब, sorry, easiest thing to find is HCF always. Earlier if I use this chart, HCF used to be more tougher to find out. But if you use a factor, HCF निकालना is very easy. Your HCF is nothing but all the common factors. So this was the factor for 42 and these are the factors for so 2, 7 and 3 are the factors for this thing and 7, 5 and 2 are factor for this. So HCF कितना आएगा? Common. There is 2 common and there is 7 common. So these two are your HCF. Thank you. Fresh page 2, 7, 3 for 42 and 7, 2 and 5 for 70. So LCM, HCF is easy, is 2 into 7. What about LCM? Your LCM is always first of all HCF, or that's another word, HCF is always a part of LCM. Right. All the common factors, which is 2 into 7, into all the non-common factors. Fine. So let me change the color of the pen. What is the non-common factor in this thing? 3. And what is the non-common factor in this thing? 5. So all the factors, all the common factors once into all the non-common factors. All the common factor which is nothing but your HCF and all the non-common factors. Alright, chalega. Alright, so can you help me out to find the LCM HCF for these numbers 18, 24 and 60? Fine, don't look at the board, do your own calculation. HCF निकालना is always easy, all the common factors, so that should not be a problem. LCM will be थोड़ा सा tricky for this question. Alright, to make your life easier in calculation, what I normally do is, suppose 18 is 6 into 3. Don't break them into 2 from start from the main bada factors and then go down to small factors. So 6 into 3, 6 is 2, 3 and 3. 6 into 4, which is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Fine, 60 will be 2 into 3, 6 and 10. Fine. So what about HCF? How much is HCF? 6. Common factors 2, 3, 2, 3 and 2, 3. So common factor is 6. Alright, that was the easy part. What about their LCM? 6 तो आएगा ही आएगा. Then next common factor is 3. Next common factor is 5. Next common factor is 2. 2 यहाँ भी है, 2 यहाँ भी जाएगा. So only 1 2 will be counted, not 2 2s. और last बचा एक और 2. Answer is not important. The main thing is to understand कि your 2 have to be calculated only once. 2 बार नहीं count होगा. ठीक है. So 18 into 4 3 60. चलेगा. दोबारा. ठीक है. This was the only pain points कि ये अलग नहीं आना चाहिए. ठीक है. Let's do one more question which is थोड़ा सा tricky. Find the LCM HCF of 16 and 24. 16 and 24 का LCM. 16 first break into part 4 4, which is nothing but 2 2. Alright, HCF 2 2 2 2 2 2 8. I can also do it from here only. The common factor only 8. वो भी कर सकते हैं, but let's start from the scratch. 8. LCM 8 तो आएगा ही आएगा. Exercise 1 2. 1 2 is gone from here. 1 2. अच्छा यहाँ पे कोई है नहीं. एक ही 2 बचा और एक 3 बचा. चलेगा. 16 into 3 48. So if you understand this part, let's move. Alright, let's move to the advanced level of LCM HCF, which are not commonly done, not commonly asked in CAT. CAT में आएगा, CMAT में नहीं आएगा, लेकिन नार्सी मॉन्जी में आएगा. This is a very very common question for नार्सी मॉन्जी. So 2146. Can you find the LCM HCF? Yes. Fine. But what if I change the numbers and give you numbers as 2 by 4, 2 by 7 and 5 by 11? Find the LCM HCF. हाँ, sorry, क्या करोगे? LCM of the number is very simple. LCM of the numerator divided by HCF of the denominator. Numerator का LCM मतलब 2 और 5 का LCM and 7 और 11 का HCF. And same HCF will be उल्टा. Will be HCF of the numerator divided by LCM of the denominator. HCF मतलब 7 और 11 का HCF and 2 and 5 का LCM. Sorry, I have written ulta. This will be upside down. So numerator का HCF. So HCF of 2 and 5 का HCF and 7 11 का LCM. It will be 77, 1 by 77, and this will be 10 by 1. Very simple. कोई भी नंबर 3 आ गया तो तीनों का LCM by HCF. Alright. So now you can find out LCM HCF of everything, right? So 6 by 15 and 3 by 11 we can do all the LCM HCF. Alright. Alright, we'll do one question. Find the if A is 3 is to 2 or 3 by 2 and B is 5 by 4. Find the LCM HCF. LCM is numerator का LCM, 3 and 5 का LCM and 2 and 4 का HCF, which is 15. Their HCF will be 3 and 5 का HCF and 2 and 4 का LCM 1 4. They can be in terms of ratio, they can be in terms of fraction, same thing. All right. Fine. So let me just summarize what we did. We started with the HCF LCM, finding out HCF LCM, then how to solve a few questions on LCM. Then we did rules of LCM HCF, 2 rules for HCF, 2 rules for LCM. Fine. Then we did A into B is LCM into HCF. Finally we did the LCM HCF of other things, x plus 3 wala, fractions wala, or 2 to the power 41 wala. The only thing which was thoda sa tricky was the powers. Find the number of solution wala. That A into B is 20. Find the number of solutions of A. That's the only thing where you will take some time to solve. Otherwise everything. And these are the questions which are very common in CAT. Okay. Confident. A is x plus 3, x plus 2, x minus. आप ही ने बोला you can find for everything. And B is x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 5.
X minus 2 is the
HCF, always easy, common factors. X minus 2 common है, x plus 2 common है. LCM same, HCF with x plus 3 and x plus 5. So basically your LCM will be this HCF, and LCM will obviously be HCF into all the non-common factors.